Hello, I'm Melissa Diane, and it is so nice to meet you. Thanks so much for popping into our channel today. And if you're new here, you're going to see on this channel what it's like to go from living in the middle of the city to out in the country. I absolutely love it out here, but it is a lot different and there's a lot to learn. One of the first things I got to experience about being in the country was owning a Mr. Blue. Mr. Blue is our tractor, so let me climb down here and I'm gonna let you get a really good look at him. This is Mr. Blue, and on one of my videos, I'm gonna be showing you what it's like to learn how to drive Mr. Blue. Now, I know that sounds a little bit scary, and it is, but it's also a lot of fun. One of the other things that I'm starting to experience is what it's like to plant a big garden and to grow a garden. And so I'm gonna be sharing with you how you do that, what it's like, and then we're gonna learn together how to cook everything that's gonna come out of this garden. And with no big grocery stores or restaurants or even an Uber Eats out here, we're going to be learning how to cook everything from home. Here are our two babies. We've got Ace. Ace, can you say hello? Yeah. Good boy. And we have Heidi. You're going to get to meet both of them on a lot of our videos. So I hope that you'll come along and join us on our journey. And Heidi here, she says, be sure and join us on the next video. Have a great day. Bye-bye.